Now you are ready with the data. Okay, how many data are there? Around 13 data we have. Okay, like this you can keep on enter the data related to a purchase. But before that, we'll format the entire table. We would like to format the entire table. How to format entire table? We have to use in a home tab. Some of the formatting options are available in a home tab, such as changing the size, font, size, this one font color. Okay, first we'll learn about that one. How to change that one. First, we have to select the data. How to select the data? Either you can use a Control Shift arrow keys. Okay, Control and Shift arrow key to select the data, or you can select from where you like to select that particular cell, click and drag to select the entire data. Click and drag like this. You can click and drag to select the entire data. Once you have been selected entire data, here we have to, for example, you would like to change the, okay, you would like to change the this one font. You can select the font, which font you like prefer. That particular font you can select. Then here we have a font size. You can select one particular font size. Okay, if you like to increase or decrease the font size, directly here, from here also you can increase or decrease the font size. Then it comes to, for example, you would like to add a table, in the sense you would like to add a borders to your table. Here border option is that. Okay, border, different type of the borders are there. Only bottom you can add a border, top, left, right, or you can, if you like to take out of the border, no border, all the border, in the sense every cell it will be applied a border. Outline border is nothing but only outside the table it will be applied. Okay, so thick outline like this you can select all the border here, so that each and every cell it will be selected as a border. Okay, then you can change the color here like this. For example, purchase data should be bold, and I would like to increase the font size. Okay, then I would like to take a background color for a purchase cell. Okay, some different background color. Here color option, this paint box option. And text color, if you like to change the text color, you can select this one, text color. And I would like to make it as a center. Purchase data, it is in a C cell. So what we will do, we will select the cell C, this one, to cell L, in the sense to the last cell, till last cell we have been selected. Okay, all the cell we have been selected, and go here, merge and center, so all the cells will be merged together and it will be aligned to a center. Okay, to take it out, for example, you already merged. If you like to come back, we have to select again, merge and center. Okay, to come out again we have to select a merge and center, so individual cell will be now. If you like to merge every cell, select those cells which one you would like to merge, select only those cells which one you would like to merge, selected, merge, center. Okay, so that you can merge it to a center. Again, if you like to change this one, highlight, bold. Okay, bold. Then you can change the this one like this. You can change the color. Okay, like this you can change the color or highlight. If you like to underline, you can use this one, underline. Different type of the underlines, double underline, like this it is available. Okay, so this is about how can we utilize the format options, okay, which are there in your Excel.